Little fifth graders, we have learned a lot of information. So this week, we're going to review all of our multiplication and all of our division. We're going to be multiplying whole numbers, multiplying decimals, dividing whole numbers, dividing decimals this week. And then we'll have one final test on all of this information again on Friday. So, on a sheet of paper, I want you to solve this problem. 109 times 32. When you line it up, this is what it looks like. It should be easy. Pause the video and solve that problem, and we'll check your work when you are finished. Pause the video. All right, let's see how good you did. All right, 2 times 9 is 18. Bring down the 8, carry the 1. 2 times 0 is 0, plus 1 is 1. 2 times 1 is 2. Bring down a 0. And now I multiply by the 3. 3 times 9 is 27. Bring down the 7, carry the 2. 3 times 0 is 0, plus 2 is 2. And then 3 times 1 is 3. Now I simply add. 8 plus 0 is 8. 1 plus 7 is 7. 2 plus 2 is 4. Nothing plus 3 is 3. 1, 2, 3, comma. Your product is 3,478. That should have been easy for you. Let's do another one. 6 and 12 hundredths times 14 hundredths. When you set it up, this is what it looks like. You don't have to line up any decimals when you multiply decimals. Do not forget to put the decimal in the correct location. Pause the video and solve this problem. All right, let's see how good you did. 4 times 2, 8. 4 times 1, 4. 4 times 6, 24. Bring down a 0. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 6 is 6. Now I just simply add. I don't have to worry about multiplying by that 0. 8 plus 0 is 8. 4 plus 2 is 6. 4 plus 1 is 5. 2 plus 6 is 8. Now I got to figure out where my decimal goes. 1, 2. I got 2 places here. 1, 2. I got 2 places here. 2 plus 2 is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I like to put a 0 right here. So my product is 8,568 10,000. Do not forget how to figure out where the decimal goes. All right, let's move on to some division practice on a sheet of paper. We're going to solve 574 divided by 13. This is what it looks like when you set it up. 574 is the dividend, 13 is the divisor. But first things first, we're going to find all of our facts for 13. So pause the video and find all your facts for 13, all the way to 9. Pause the video. All right, let's see how good you did. 13 times 1, 13. Times 2, 26. times 3, 39, times 4, 52, times 5, 65, times 6, 78, times 7, 91, times 8, 104, times 9, 117. So now I have all the information I need to solve this problem. So now, with all this information, solve the problem 574 divided by 13. Pause the video. All right, let's see how good you did. All right, can 13 go into 5? No. Can 13 go into 57? Yes. How many times? 4 times. 4 times 13 is 52. 57 minus, or 7 minus 2 is 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. Bring down the 4. Can 13 go into 54? Yes, they can. How many times? 4 again. 4 times 13 is 52. 54 minus 52 is 2. I am finished because I have nothing left to bring down. I'm dividing whole numbers, so I can have a remainder. My quotient is 44, remainder 2. Remember, when you're dividing whole numbers, remainders are okay. But it's when you do this that remainders are not okay. 375 divided by 1 5/10. All right. Remember, when we divide decimals, we have to have a new dividend and a new divisor. I want you to tell me what my new divisor and my new dividend is right now. Figure it out. Pause the video. All right, let's see what you got. I have a decimal here. I had to move it over 1 time. So my new decimal is 15. Now, I don't have a decimal here, but 5 is in the ones place, so my decimal is automatically here. I moved it 1 time here, therefore I must move it 1 time here. I have to put a 0 in there as a placeholder. So my new dividend is 3,750. So there you have it. Now I have to find all the facts of 15 now, because 15 is my divisor. Do that right now. Pause the video. All right. 15 times 1, 15. Times 2, 30. 3, 45. 4, 60. 5, 75. 6, 90. 7, 105. 8, 120. 9, 135. Now I have all the information I need to solve my beautiful division problem. Solve 3,750 divided by 15. Do that right now and pause the video. All right, let's see how you did. 15, can it go into 3? No. 15, can it go into 37? Yes. How many times? 2 times. 2 above the 7. 2 times 15 is 30. Subtract. 7 minus 0 is 7. 3 minus 3 is 0. Bring down the 5. 15, can it go into 75? Yes, it can. How many times? 5 times. 5 times 15 is 75. Subtract. 75 minus 75 is 0. Bring down the 0. Can 15 go into 0? Yes, it can. How many times? 0 times. Subtract. I do not have to add a 0 and bring it down this time. My quotient is 250. That is the answer. There you go. I hope that you are learning this and gaining all the multiplication and division knowledge that you can, because we're going to spend 1 more week on it, and then we're going to move on to bigger and better things. So, you get your practice done right now.